Yeah, she's over on the promise.
Hey, Daddy, do it again! Woo! Woo! Listen to the echo.
That sounds weird.
Woo!
That's the best you got.
What was that, Dope?
I've seen the stuff you got.
Hey, Daddy! You got 8.8?
Them stink.
Well, it is smoke.
Well, the neon sparklers didn't stink.
Which one did you use for the grand finale, Mama?
There's two of them this side, two little ones, and then they're going to put some more in there.
Hey, did you choose a unicorn at the grand finale?
No.
Girl, which one did you choose?
What?
Yeah.
You said something about a unicorn.
The last two, what do you mean?
Well, two that I bought the other day. So,
Oh, that was pretty. Woohoo!
9.2, we got a
Ashley, what'd you say about a unicorn?
Mommy got, when you didn't go with us to, Genuine, we stopped and got fireworks. Well, one of them has a unicorn and a wizard on it.
yeah.
And it's supposed to be one of the best ones you have. So, you're not going to use that wizard rings or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, you're using that one as a finale?
No.
They got them all rigged up on electronics. Oh, do you?
Hey, Mama. I can actually watch them now. The earphones that I got.
Huh?
The earphones I got. Like it's not as loud.
Where they have that little soft ring around it, it encloses her ears.
Oh, that's good.
I mean, I can still hear it, but I can actually keep my eyes open enough
Yeah.
to watch them. So I have really bad.
Oh, that was pretty.
Carl, where does Jeffrey get these at?
He gets them off Buckwheat.
Who's Buckwheat?
He's in Floyd County.
Oh.
Floyd County,
So
that's
he's
the
like
same
a dealer?
Yeah, yeah, he buys them all. Yeah, he goes and gets them.
He buys them candy too, don't he? Some of them.
Probably gets
Yeah,
them
he
from
buys
the
some of
same,
them at the Carry store now.
probably gets them at the same places like him.
Yeah. You don't get any good shots?
Hey, Diane,
Huh?
Mom won't let me post these.
I'd say not.
Yeah, they'll take off an arm and a leg.
Let one of them off in the house.
Yeah, I wasn't even scared when you let a rocket off in the house.
No.
Now I remember you telling me about that one.
Scorched the wall there.
Hey, Mom.
Instead of bugs.
Oh. I like those.
Oh,
Now that was a good one. Those are pretty. I like those.
me too.
What color is that,
Woo!
Somebody's fucked.
We need electric. What color is that? Green.
Doug, would you have that one?
They go over in there.
I'm not 989.
Who in the world be calling?
They do.
I'm surprised we haven't got a bat on fire yet.
Haven't got what?
A bat.
No, it's only 9. Let's see him.
One time down there.
It ain't quite time yet.
Wheel around.
What does that smoke look like to you?
Like a big thing of fog.
No, it looked like a, when it was before, it looked more like a fly, but then
Here we
like the
go.
face.
They did.
Oh, we got the whistles going.
I hate them things.
I love them.
I hate them.
Woo!
Can't do it any faster?
I love the Whistlers.
Some of these look promising, but they're horrible.
But I'm telling you what, but me and Eric got fast up right down to the bottle rocket.
We can't let you and Eric be around each other with bottle rockets.
I can hear him.
Too late, we can go see more off the bar.
Oh God.
Don't forget about M80s.
Oh God.
The M80s are awesome. We're gonna burn a hole.
Too bad they're legal.
Then I could hear when he hit the racetrack.
We must go to Tennessee, across the border.
Can you hear it? Which isn't too hard.
That's a train horn, yeah.
Dang it. But it's not too hard to get them across. They don't check the car or anything.
I don't know
I hear it all the time at first.
Be my luck to do. Yeah, pull over and see.
Hey, Daddy, run! Woohoo! Pretty!
Awesome!
It was sparkly!
That's
I'm
just
seeing
so
afterlights.
Yeah, you can see them following.
No, like actual glow over the mountain. I see an afterlight.
Probably drop cut, that's what we're doing.
Ow.
Wonder if they're watching too. They usually do that.
Unless they went down to Holly Hill.
Yeah.
Why didn't they want to come here and watch them?
Oh, it was.
And I believe Jake keeps on getting mad and mad.
Yeah.
Not that one year. Remember that one year?
His finale sucks last year. He had to do a better job.
You know what, Mama?
What his finale is.
Remember that one year he had that really good finale? That was a good finale.
That was pretty.
Pretty!
Hey, we're on the ball.
I can hear that dun, 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 of it falling. Woo! Oh God.
Are you ready?
Oh, that was pretty. I like those. One that really boom once and like a boom a few more times. Those are awesome.
What happened to the one things in the tub?
What one thing?
The I forgot.
Woo, they swirl. They swirl. But it keeps getting lower and higher.
Taking up donations, pay for the fireworks, everybody.
I ain't giving you nothing.
Brent, did you say that's louder than
I move my hat back, donation.
Taking up donations, pay for the fireworks.
Trying to get money off our fireworks, Mama.
We charge $5 for each person admission. Pay up front the wheelbarrow.
Get you with my house.